A summer night breeze touched our hearts. We looked up at the sky side by side. The light of the fireworks, your profile I still can't forget. In a moment of brilliance, I feel a thrill. I wish it would never fade away. A summer night's dream. Holding hands in Yukata, in the crowd, a world of just the two of us. The beating of our hearts, the sound of fireworks, the moment they overlap, drawing in the night sky, a vision of our future. I wanna spend it together until the end of summer. The sound of the waves echoes in the distance. I sat on the beach and talked with you, staring at the twinkling stars. The night I felt the eternity. I carved in my heart memories of the two of us. I wish it would never fade away from you on a summer night when I wish so strongly. In the crowd, a world of just the two of us. The beating of our hearts, the beating of our hearts. The summer night's dream. Holding hand, you went into the future. A story of two people. From now on and forevermore, let's walk together on a summer's night. Holding hands in Yukata, in the crowd, a world of just the two of us. The beating of our hearts, the sound of fireworks, the moment they overlap, drawing in the night sky, a vision of our future. I wanna spend it together until the end of summer.